And y'all wife ain't judgmental, is it? Mine's so judgmental. She don't like the way I curl my toes up when it's time to go to sleep. She just be always scrutinizing me. She don't like when I snore. Ain't nothing wrong with snoring. Snoring is a sign of a good man. You hear me? When a man is snoring, he done done a lot of work. He tired. We tired. We're tired. Let us snore, bruh. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let our sleepy asses snore. No. She jettisoned pillows under my head just to shut me up and mess up my good rest. I ain't tripping. I'm just wait till the shoe's on the other foot. Oh, it'll be on the